శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 831st డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము third parvam, Vanaparvam or Aranya Parvam, 43rd chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Arjuna entered into Svargalokam and now seeing that Amaravati beautiful town, Devendra's town. There are so many Siddhas, Charanas, and there are so many beautiful, pure, sacred flowers and trees. Arjuna is looking at everything. Na tapta tapasa sakyaha drashtum nanahitagnina salokaha punyakartrunam na api yuddhe parangmukhaihi. Those who does not do tapasya, they cannot see this Svargalokam. Those who shows their back and runs away from the battlefield cannot see this Svargalokam. Those who does not do yajnas, vratas, Veda Shastra, Adhyayanam and bathing in sacred rivers, they cannot see this Svargalokam. Those who does not do charities, they cannot see this Svargalokam. Those who does Madhyapanam, those who eat meat, they cannot see this Svargalokam. In such Svargalokam, Arjuna entered and walking in the streets and looking at Amaravati Pattanam, and he entered into Amaravati with Devendra's orders. So many Gandharvas, Siddhas, Charanas, Devatas giving a warm reception to Arjuna, and they are all respecting Arjuna. And with all of their Ashirvadaihi stuyamanaha divyavaditra nisvanaihi pratipede mahabahuhu Shankha Dundubhinaditam. With all of their Ashirvadam, Arjuna being praised by everyone, and there are so many divine sounds, divine instruments everywhere, and expressing their great amount of happiness to see Arjuna. And Arjuna is now walking in the Amaravati Pattana. There is one street called Suravidhi. He is now walking in there. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. Srimannarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.